Here's how you can copy data from a view-only Google Sheet. You can see that it's not allowed to copy, download, or print anything. Dismiss that notification and open Developer Tools as I'm doing here. You can press Ctrl-Shift-I and it'll open this tab. Just go under that settings icon over there. Make sure not to click anything else. And go in the Preferences tab. Scroll down to Debugger Options. And then click Disable JavaScript. Now, without closing that tab, just reload your page and you can see that now you can copy everything that's visible to you. To copy everything in the entire sheet, just press Ctrl-A as I'm doing over here and open another Excel sheet or Google sheet and paste it over there. Then you can remove the excess information. Another way of disabling JavaScript is by going to the site settings, finding JavaScript and just reloading the website.